Taking a cab.
Hello.
Hi.
Where do you want to go?
80 Maple Street, please.
80 Middle Street.
No, Maple Street.
Maple Street. Let's see. Is that near Street, Middle Street?
I don't know. I've been here only 1 week.
Oh, where are you from?
Melbourne.
I hate to get up in the morning.
Me too. What time do you get up?
At 5 o'clock.
Why do you get up so early?
I have to go to work by 6 o'clock.
I don't get up until 7:30.
You're lucky. What do you do?
I own a small shop.
What time does your shop open?
At 8 o'clock.
At the restaurant.
This is a big menu.
Yeah, what are you getting?
Chicken, salad, and baked potatoes.
I don't know what to get.
They have very good turkey.
I had turkey yesterday.
How about steak?
Perfect. I'll get steak and mashed potatoes.
What vegetable are you getting?
I'm not getting any. I don't like vegetables.
Getting a visa.
How long does it take to get a visa?
It depends on the season. Anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks.
What do I need to do?
Fill out an application form and wait.
Will there be a long waiting period?
Not if you don't run into any government delays.
A light eater.
Would you like anything else? You haven't eaten very much.
No, thanks. I'm already full.
Oh, come on. Have some more.
No, I really can't. I've never been much of an eater.
Have some green tea then.
That would be nice.
How do you take it?
With a little sugar, please, no cream.
Here you are.
Thank you.
A date.
Hello.
Maria, is that you?
Yes. Who's this?
It's Michael.
Michael. Michael who?
What do you mean, Michael who? Michael Dustin, of course.
Oh, Michael, I'm sorry.
Yes. We had a date last night. Where were you? I waited for 1 hour.
Oh, I'm sorry, Michael. I couldn't come.
Couldn't come. Why not?
Well, I had to pack my stuff for my trip.
Why didn't you call me?
I wanted to call you, but I couldn't remember your phone number.
And now I'm going to forget yours.
What's a grant?
My daughter is going to university.
That's great, but it must cost you a lot of money.
Yes, but she has a grant.
A grant? What's a grant?
The government is giving her money.
To pay for her education.
That's right.
Does it pay for everything?
No, she has a loan, too.
What's the difference between a loan and a grant?
You have to pay back a loan. A grant is a present.
Operating room.
Ms. Rosie, I'm Dr. Smith.
Oh, doctor, how is he?
Well, I'm afraid we'll have to operate.
Oh no, he's always been afraid of operations.
Don't worry. If we operate now, he'll be all right.
Oh doctor, do you really have to?
He's lost a lot of blood. If we do single quote anti-operate, he'll die.
Oh please do whatever you have to.
An interesting movie.
I thought that movie was terrific, wasn't it?
I don't know. It didn't seem to have any meaning.
Come on. It seems that you expect intellectual stimulation from every movie.
I just think that a good movie should have a central theme at least.
Yes. But it doesn't hurt you to watch a comedy once in a while. Relax and enjoy it.
You're right. I'm too serious sometimes.
Gardening.
Your garden is really lovely.
Thank you. I enjoy working in the garden.
Do you do everything yourself?
I trim the bushes and weed the flower beds myself.
Who cuts the grass?
Oh, it's so big that I hired one of the boys in the neighborhood to do it.
Well, I must say he does a good job.
Yes. His work is more than satisfactory.
On sale.
Hello. Look. I just bought this new coat. How do you feel about it?
Oh, it looks terrific.
Nice, when you like it.
How much was it?
$70.
Oh, that's a good price.
Yeah, it was on sale. I would take it among the crowd there. Terrible. But it was worth it.
Where did you get it?
In May on London Street.
I like to shop there, too. They always have really nice sales.
Maybe you should go there today. They have a big sale on shirts if you're interested.
Let's make them out of stock, now. Go with me.
Of course.
A car loan.
I'll drive you there.
Thanks. I'm going to apply for a loan.
Why do you need a loan?
I have to buy a new car.
What's wrong with your car?
It is getting worse and it's 10 years old.
How much will a new car cost?
About $20,000.
Wow, that's so expensive.
I know, that's why I need a loan.
At home.
Ah, chew.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Do you have a cold?
Yes, that's why I'm sneezing so much.
I hope you feel better soon.
I get a bad cold every winter.
Are you taking anything for your cold?
I'm taking aspirins.
Does it work?
Yes, but it makes me sleepy.
You'd better not drive then.
The phone.
Good morning, Michael Law Office. May I help you?
Yes, may I speak to Mr. Michael, please?
I'm sorry, he isn't here yet. May I take a message?
Yes, could you ask him to call Maria Ponta?
How do you spell your last name?
Ponta.
What's your phone number?
Mr. Michael should have it.
Well, he doesn't.
It's 56,847,910.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
56,847,910.
I'll give him the message.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I drive you there?
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
Oh no, I'm late.
Where are you going?
To the doctor's.
Can I drive you there?
Sure, that will help.
What's the matter with you?
I have a pain in my knees.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I've had it for weeks, and this is the first time that I could get in. My doctor is always so busy.
I guess that's a good thing. It means a lot of people believe in him.
Cold and windy.
It's cold out.
Yes, it's cold and windy.
I'm going to wear my heavy coat.
Good idea. Where are you going?
To the supermarket.
For what?
I have to buy some like papers, pencils, crayons, to finish my project about ideal technology to solve the pollution problem in the world.
Wow. Cool. Could you buy some bread for me?
Sure. How much would you like?
Just one loaf of bread. Here's the money for the bread.
Okay. I'll back in 30 minutes unless I get blown away.
Be careful, baby.
Yes, thanks.